Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. The monsoons are here and a great way to enjoy the season is by making these hot crispy snacks along with some nice hot piping chai. Today I am going to share a very nice Gujarati snack recipe. We are going to make Methi Bondas. Now this is very popularly known as Methi na Gota in Gujarati. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, to a bowl add 2 cups of Besan, that is gram flour. Next add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of crushed pepper, 1 teaspoon of coarsely crushed coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of Sooji, that is Semolina, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of Ajwain, I'm just going to crush it between my palms, a pinch of Hing or Asafoetida powder. So first I'm going to gently mix all the dry ingredients. So just make sure this is all well combined. Next I'm adding 1 small bowl of roughly chopped fresh methi leaves, that is fenugreek leaves, 1 small cup of fresh coriander leaves. Next I'm adding 2 green chillies chopped. So I'm just going to mix everything together till it's all well combined now. So this is a very simple and easy to make snack recipe. If you have all the ingredients ready, the prep work will just take about 5 minutes. Now that we've mixed all the ingredients, I'm going to gradually pour water to get the right batter consistency for the bondas. So you need a nice dropping consistency. So make sure you add little water at a time to get the right consistency for the batter. You don't want it to be too runny. Just in case you accidentally drop a lot of water, don't worry, you can just add a little bit of Besan to adjust the consistency. So you can see I've mixed the batter to a nice dropping consistency. It should not be too runny. I'm just going to add a pinch of cooking soda or baking soda and just a few drops of lemon juice. Just mix everything together. Now that the batter is ready, let's start making the bondas. Heat oil in a kadai, and once the oil is hot, take small portions of the prepared batter and gently drop it into the hot oil. Maintain the flame on a medium-high throughout. Toss the bondas around so they cook evenly and they get a lovely even tone on all sides. Just deep fry the bondas in batches like these. You don't want to overcrowd the kadai. Once the bondas have turned to a lovely golden brown color, remove from the hot oil. You can enjoy these methi bondas nice and hot with some nice mint coriander chutney by the side. I am going to enjoy these super delicious methi bondas with some nice mint coriander chutney. Amazing flavors, and especially with the mint coriander chutney, it's a perfect pairing. Makes for a wonderful tea time snack. Enjoy this monsoon season with these hot piping bondas and a nice glass of hot chai. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.